Hey, hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to create quilling flower pots. These are the different pots that I have created and people are liking them. So I'll be showing you how to create one of those. For that I'll be using brown quilling paper. These are quilling paper stripes. These are the brown quilling paper stripe bunch. You can create it with different colors. Like I have created this one with yellow, orange, brown. But since brown is the most common color that you get, so I'll be creating one with the brown, and you get it in different colors like green, blue, pink, yellow, all these colors you get. We can use the other colors for flowers, but for the pot I'm going to use the brown color. And the materials that you need for creating the pot: one needle, quilling needle, then glue, scissors, and this quilling mold. You can do without this quilling mold too, but with the help of quilling mold we get better shape. So let's start. And I would say this is the most easy of all the quilling art that I have done. Quilling pot, it's the easiest of all, and I'll show you how to do. It's hope you enjoy it. To start with, just fix a little bit of glue at the tip of the paper, because we'll be making a roll with this paper, so that the tip does not come out of the roll. So we need to fix it to the other end of the first roll. See, I'll be rolling the paper like this, and the glue gets attached to the other edge. So after attaching, we'll be rolling the paper this way. So it gets rolled. So what you get out of this roll is something like this. So this is the most simplest of the quilling art. You can even create quilling earring. The earring that I'm wearing is also made of quilling. So you can make different items with this quilling design. So for this, since we'll be creating one pot maybe of this size, so we'll be needing more than one stripe, maybe 4 to 5 stripes. So next we'll be fixing another stripe into the edge of this stripe, but it's better you do not glue this end to the roll, because it becomes a little difficult to give the shape. So after fixing, or what you can do, because we'll be using 4 to 5 stripes, so you can fix them in the beginning and then start rolling. After rolling 4 to 5 stripe, I have used 5 stripe, we get something like this. So this is the basic thing that will be creating the pot with. So after this, we'll be using one of this mold to give the shape. Suppose we'll be using this one. Just put it here and press it like this. So you get one particular shape. It becomes almost like the pot. But to give perfection, we can use another mold and just push it down, so that all the all the paper used here are evenly distributed. So this is how you get a pot here. And after that, what you have to do, after getting a better shape, you can with the help of your fingers also, you can give perfect shape, and so that the shape does not change. For that, what you do, you fix glue inside and fix it all over. After that, what you get is a pot, something like this. After the pot is ready, the glue is fixed and dried, we'll be creating the flowers or the branches like this.